Achui Khamataya Baobing. Chief Minister N. Piren na Haying Kongpali Kalay Lord Sanamahiwi Shrine Katarhi Tergat Kami Haira. Yurchat Kajivana Chat Kangate Wishit Kasangi Kya Kashi Lay Purungrada, Chief Minister N. Piren na Hanga. PJYM President na Congress Office MPYC NC Office perilously attack Kasawi Bang Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na City Police Ling Room Laga complaint Tasang Haira. Arada Kalay election hili PJP na Mayui Pulungmara Gachi Katewi Bang Kunti Zamli Zanghaira da AICC Manipur in charge PC Das na Hanga. Mami TV, Tangkul News, Ayon Zan Ejihuina Bamilia. Yurchat Kajivana Jat Kangate Wishit Kasankala Termali Kyashi Palungra da Stately Yurchat Kangate Knokala Opchi Karumpingla, Mungabakra Maragajihi, Chief Minister Nong Tambam Pirenna, Laning Tau Sinamahi Temple Port, LSTP Office Kala Gatar Sam Kwijam Kaji Yari Kazip Hall, Haying Kongpali Kalay, Sanamahi Shrine Wizing Sho Zingtunwi Kamwang Shokawai Tergat Kakali Kahangna. Raja Sapawi Mingani King Sana Choba Lay Shampam LSTP we Vice President Kalagiro Assembly Constituency we MLA Rameshwar Nala Tergat Kakachili Rangarumia. Tamaida Mutivada LSTP we President La Sada Kalay Chief Minister Piren na Kyakashi Kalay Hili Kangazipa Manipur Sem Kakali Kanala Kahayana da Hanga. Termang ngajay kangrok kajihi ayarli hailaga chungri coloring kapa aina oktu rumida mizai koro mili legashi lumushan katay ningay aina oktu palungra chiya. Chita akamang Manipuri lekaya kala matay midare kasang chirara dahanga. Center we PJP government na state we miping na sakta gakwili hanmayda state we aman magkakuya lanchiya Manipuri zat kana kalangashan hi saklak aina kuya da anahanga. Itumwe awo ayui prekarchili itum na mashurar tuwa da hanga, kala central wikatana bing na state ngishan kala zat kanachili, pari kawai kala gadon kawai hangmiya da ana hangwiya.
Line to Sanamhi Ninjaba, Mayamna, Nasi Temple Shima, free the Pambagi Haraujaba, Narang, Govinazigi, Temple the Kogi, Mategi Marata Hindu Sachaba, Akoina, Mayamna. Government these temples Shankar Pagi Harau Jaba Nahan Maitai Pangalgi Lilonga House Masana Navigi Center de Gilpa Karotara Sanction Droga Jatra Huluba Madaida Muslims Islam Sasavakamun Harau Jaba Adagi Handaki New Year's Ki Adagi Christmas Ki Mapam Kayada Honorable Prime Minister Ga Poka Kuchonga Dana blessing tongnaba madu paksana urukanda adagi ekhoina madugi Christmas ki da yaur kanda Christian sasaba singi sinnaw singna or tamgi sinnaw singna harau jaba. These are the life masi amana mabu ekoi respect orga amana mabu ikai kunarga ekoi lemina gadabani madu dada aduga mapung phaba Manipur amat tribal indian manaba Manipur ebde koi semba ngamai ibni.
Lakwak Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Punjab Lira Kazangli Makamya Pongashok Sada Ayangazin Congress Pavan Mi Mangali Bam Gahachli Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee with General Secretary Hareshwar Koshwami na City Police with Officer in Charge Lingarum Laga PJYMD complaint Tasang Hairam. Awi complaint chili ana hanga chia Parati Chanada Yuva Morcha Manipuri President Pari Sharma na Tanlaga Mayor Ngala Tumra Shuka na Youth Congress aina NCW Pungwil Pingli Adak Sahira. Ochochiwi Maramli Matwilaga Congress member Seram Nekhan Nahanga PJYM na Adak Kasa Otsakji PJP Wibang Kalashilaka Hina political parties kaniwi alumni gui kasa sampang sakra chia. General election adam ngunai kahai hili National Political Party li Metro Political Party na kya kashima khalai jikiteji anamaring gapa pongshoka.
Violence toba ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯃꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯆꯩꯅꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯒꯨꯟꯗꯥꯏꯖꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯆꯩꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯚꯥꯏꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯑꯅꯦꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯈꯟꯊꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
AICC Manipur in charge Phagda Jarandasna Ayawi Congress Pavan Gately Namsangda Gala Youth Congress Office Phunglu Pingli PJYM we volunteers na adek kasachili Muring Panglak Aina Pongshok Haira Kalarara da Kalay Assembly election hili BJP na Muyi Pulungmura Gajigate Wibang Kunteism li Sang Haira Chia Ana government li zakshilak aina hangmiya government wi shong aina makyuli khangachi wi wang kundeism li zang gahai chi khayak nilak gahai otsakna chia aya PT Rotli Khalai Congress Pavan Press Committee krigagachli paume pingna gahang atishuda MPCC wi office mangali PJYM wi members pingna Union PJP Minister Bratima Phokmi Gui Mangali Congress leaders wi Miman Trikadachi Mangila Kachi Otsakna da Phagda Jarandasna Pongshokmiya Intia wi political history li PJP na Kui Kishokni Khala da Mamachukla Sakahai Otsak Kala Matada Miyangasang Marashok Lakranga da Anahanga AICC Manipur in charge na Hanglui da Jia, Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Panchapli Wednesday Thangkrali, protester Ping Wivang Aina blockade Kalajili, security, Wat Kahaiji Central Government na Punjab with Chief Minister Lika Panji, Matai Thangkamay Makakashung Otsak na Chia.
Being in government in center and state, why they have done so? What prompted them? Are they going to lose the war? Are they afraid of the war? The war of people? The election war? Do you want to win the war of election in this violent manner? You want to threaten the people of the country? People of Manipur? That you can do anything? You are executive head, heading the state, heading the nation. Will you behave like this? Indian people have ever permitted this? These are fundamental questions. What violence Manipur Congress or Congress party in India has done that you retaliate like this?
MPCC with President N. Lokanna press conference Chili Shurukwida Hanga Parada Chanada Yuva Morchawi Ningping MPCC with Office Mangali AICC with Katana Mipingwi Mimantri Gada Chili Makamia Panglak Aina Pongshoka Shokta Kalay Ochot Adamchi security personnel na Ochotchi Kamiki Kachi Muhudli Kasai Kapam Kahaiji Chief Minister Aina DGP na Matalak Tuklak Aina Yangsang Kami Kanaya Chia Lokan na Hanlui da Tingasaka Chia Rarada Kalay 12 Manipur State Legislative Assembly election hili Party na Mi Miragaji Gate Wibang PJP na Makangajun Otsak Sadalay Ana Jitay Miluya Chia Ayawi Ochotli Gazangping Action Kwikawa Yangsang Miran Authority Pingli written complaint Misangra Jihaira
Aduna ngasida aina Manipur gi oina di police ki head of kenosi DGP na oi Aduna Manipur ki DGP na masi miyang changhani ni lai kadur bisa ikoi lakadur je mas ki tarik taraga mapan phobu manungda aikoi Manipur da Congress ki sacholama sumsoi tana lakane haibasu ngasida Manipur ki home department da leiba police sing naso salhani ni aduna hau khipeda ikoi Congress na sahi tara banga sachon tawre Siguma Sason gi matamda aikoi kanagumba agitation changba adudabada khara mafam kharada aikoi pu chaiba adugumba do control tawna makidati laknai adubu kanagumba political party magi party office ta aikoi changa kada adugumba do ngasi bogi history da Indian National Congress na Manipur Pradesh Congress na ngasi pawda aikoi tawbul leitri अदुबो BGMY की ngarang ga labiba youth ki president oriba maga lucinga ga laiba mana sida da ikoi gate si mamang da mana sida de yamna violence oiba mar maunga chathara ka da police nga ga tawriba thabak thoram do ngasi da Manipur Pradesh Congress ki jo makhoi ki saru chama henba aduma youth kaya ma leiriba se matam khudi makta makhoi na ningsing ga bani
BJP na Gathan government na Gatam Gashiwi kan Kanahi Taimiya da Manipur wi Chief Minister N. Piren na hangni haira. Chidhada Sada State Hili proper education system like Hawaii below poverty line wi azingli government na Gatam na bingli school uniform kala desk book hi kalem aina yami yaw kami hikata hiwi pekar kwika haira. Anatri hi papurali khalai samakra shiksha Manipuri office li katamna bingli school uniform kalem aina yaw kami adam li kahangna. Program chili education minister S. Rajan Naracha Sapawi Mingning King Sana Choba Lay Shampa na Rangaruma. BJP na Gathan government na kwika kahai education policy sirida Pungasa Shorkar na kwika hai sa nisi kajiwa state hiwi education sector hi mata kamay nga pamni lay sarada Chief Minister N. Piren na occasion chili kamatwili hanga. State government wi kamataya ningrinwa state wi chiwi mi kajiwa mata may da damkwi shukwi free medical facilities kala shim samkapanghina ana da machan sanga. Manipur hi mi chungda malay thukida hikata hiba paila kahai ot nurut ngasara da anahanga. State hili Omicron vi situation li kamatuli Piren na hanga chia. Pure Tikandrachit International Airport hi security measures sa da gandak sa kawai government na kahak mi haira.
Aran Batoroi, Prazamayam the Yaning the Tabuktoroi, Prazamayam the Waka the Tabuktoroi, Miot Mini Akoitoroi, Karigumba, Amagi Hak right, Matpagitavo, Equator, Equibum, uplift to Manaba, Nungaina, Lananaba, Piswin Lananaba, Nungai Hananaba, Apabazinjak Pinanaba, Apapa Pijanaba, Apabagari Tonganaba, Apabalambida Shananaba, Secretary number, Greater Infalgi, 3,500 crore project Hagan. Greater Impulse, Loina concrete road champ the Kale. According to Yam Tagan Banina, Koila House, 100 days have one Matanga Kayava. And the Gakwitiga Kamun, so Jenna Kamus of Pedo, by Armadi songs. I don't know if percentage loan of one of the Lambisi, Kagapata, Thomas of the Side. I don't know, Kitan Tarpadum Kaini. I don't know, Mashi control on RCCG. Already proposed of Greater Impal area, RCCG road.
Program Chili Shuru Kukwili Education Minister S. Rajan Nahanga, District Kachidawi Government School Itam da Kalekatam now. Lag Akha 41,445, Class 8 Kakashun, Aina Dangdal, Uniform Si Yami Rada, Samagra Shikshana, Yang Sankami Azingli Katam na Bingli Set Kanirip Marine Mira. Center we aina 90% fund kala state na 10% fund himiya.
Higher education ni leriba mayam da so ikoi hojik online class ningti dana tawbata tanai koi college sing mayam mama ikoi rusagi UGC gi makha da ikoi na lawgadaba funding da ikoi naki score 2.5 ikoi yobang amnan ma hona bada handa college kara ikoi naki score gi lawthorok pada ikoi Susanpur College na Singba Sigumba College kra 2.5 tagi he na koi score tobunga me cross tobunga me
Irate League bumping na Porampat traffic point wingalam we aina Infal East League kalay Porampat crossing aina Twilaga Ananda Singh Academy li wakawai Shongfu li zakshila kahai condition li kalay wiwang Shongfu pingji timi haira Shongfu chiwi Kanangla ka high condition china ngalam chili ka bumping kala chinim swi medical ka damna bing kazashon haira. Protester wing chai li akana hanga atumwi latwi da gabo chili maheng sang mila yang sang miran authority na akana khangkok thada bangchi haira. Hina ka katuma protesting ga gana. Tweak high atamli Infal East District with Deputy Commissioner na mashara laga shongfu chiwi condition rayang sang miya. Kala Shongfuji Samsung mi haura da hang mi haira. Ka ari rashung da ot mahau pokrang gachi wiwang Shongfuji tinga haina. Shongfuji yang sang miran authority na gatakwi alungli ma Samsung mirror aka bang kamay pekar kwira da protester ping na hanga. Constituency Ngate Dali Semkaki Kiji Water Supply Projects we Semda Kalejili, Wangkam Assembly Constituency we MLA Kesham Makhejandrana Foundation Ngalung Kani Kninka Mihaira. Water Supply Scheme C Constituency we Miping we Wangkum Cherwi Program Nada MLA Makhejandrana Ogation Chili Kamatwili Hanga. Project Bihi Kajama Water Supply we Apamli Semkara. Water treatment plants reservoir kala overhead tanks pinhi Yaripok Bishnu Naha Water Supply Project we Ningrin Ngasadalay. Kala Chili Yaripok Municipal we Azingli Kalay Ward number 1 to 9 we Dangwi Mipingli Mangkawai Tourist Supply Samira. Extension Scheme C Binu Naha Treatment Plan we Aina Dritsa Gahai Tiruchi Ward number 1, Ward number 8 Kala Ward number 9 Likazipra. Hina Tiru Katang Wikijot Sidam Ming Sakrada MLA Nahanga.
Him Kendragi Darkar Labor Mam Six, Masi Scheme Mam Six, Sagalakulu Rakomatam the day, I call house to house. You don't put him a key, I call ye depth water set. Aligi Toti Consil Amam Palkan that connect to Wangani. So that I call ye Lady Bo him Kendrigi for that Kudimak is simply problem set. 2021 I 22 lakh adagi 21 sigi financial year the already masi 51 crores sanction tawkhabnina I mafam khudimakta isingi problem simati wanghem kendra da once for all masigi solution ama piba ngamme.
Schemes Chili Otsaki Kaji Company officials Pingla Foundation Shunkaka program Chili Shiru Kwingaruma. National People's Party Narara Daklay State General Assembly Election Hili, Wisaka NPP na Manipur Li All India Institute of Medical Science Linka Mira the Heroic Assembly Constituency we NPP Mingining and Titan na Merlak ay nahanghaira. Rara Daklay Election Hili, Nashiklaga Semkahai NPP Women Committee Wiwang NPP Heroic Kendra na Ayamakok Kami Meeting Chili Anamatwimiya. Langmaida Ari Hero Constituency Aina Manipur Hupfawi Political Scenario Hili Chingri Aina Gichichawi Ningkhan Kala Mushungri Kahai Election Krika Kawai Society Lishina Bimishuruk Darkar Kasahi Ningli Hai Kawai Meeting Chili Makok Kamina da Titen Nahanga.
Manipur the Pangtholang Badugumba election Kudimak Shideda Yamna Satiba Mawamada Masan Pawara Masung Mani Pawargi Lambirom the Yam the Hen the Kong Tangilakwa. Aduna maram oraga hero kendra laiba nuksijaraba imai besing hawgal revijut singa tanaraga karamba maomda karamba thabak tawraga karamba bhimamda kari tanaragadi hero haiba lamdam sida manipur haiba lamdam sideda yamna free and fair oibadugumba election lama pangthokpa ngamgadagi haibase koi tana taba yarakaba.
Achiwi Kumataya Pao, Chief Minister N. Purin na Hayin Kongpali Kalay Lord Sanamahi we Shrine the Territor Gatkami Haira. Jat Kajivina Jat Kangate we Shikasangli Kia Kashile Purungrada, Chief Minister N. Purin na Hanga. PJYM President na Congress Office MPYC NCU Office Parisli attack Kasawi Bang Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na City Police Ling Rumlaka complaint Thasang Haira. Kalarara da Kala election hili PJP na Mayu Pulumura da Kataywi Wang Kunti Zemli Zang Haira da AICC Manipur in charge PC Das na Hanga. Mami TV Tangkul News Achui Bao Hinakang Jang Sahira Lekyang Zin Saruno.